We've got this cookie clicker game, but it takes too long to get the ball rolling. Manually clicking is slow and tiring. Let's change that with just a few lines of Python code. First, I import these 3 libraries that will allow Python to click my mouse for me, set a delay, and detect key presses. Then I'll define a click function that runs commands to create a synthetic mouse click. To the computer, these lines of code and a real physical mouse click are identical. Lastly, once I press P on my keyboard, the program will start clicking as fast as possible. And once I press P again, the program will stop. This is super simple. Let's run it. That is quite a head start. Now I'm getting thousands of cookies passively per minute without even buying any upgrades. After a few minutes of automatic clicking, I can buy enough upgrades to bake many more cookies per second. If you enjoyed this cookie clicker hack, please consider subscribing.